Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. What is the name of the online platform launched by the government for sharing experiences of retiring government employees? A. Suraksha, B. Nishchit, C. Anubhav, D. Sankalp. Correct answer is C. Question number 2. Battle of Valong was a part of which war? A. Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, B. Sino-Indian War of 1962, C. Indo-Pakistan War of 1947, D. Kargil War of 1999. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. Which organization recently implemented the Graded Response Action Plan in Delhi? A. Indian Environmental Society, B. Commission for Air Quality Management, C. Indian Pollution Control Association, D. Central Pollution Control Board. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Raigad Fort is located in which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is D. Question number 5. The Himalayan The Himachal Pradesh government inaugurated the first digital library of the state in which city? A. Solan, B. Mandi, C. Bilaspur, D. Palampur. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. Which state has recently approved a 35% reservation for women in all state government recruitments? A. Odisha, B. Jharkhand, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project is located on the border of which two states? A. Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, C. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, D. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question number 8. Which state government recently launched a compendium of regenerative agriculture to promote regenerative agriculture? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. What is the new name for the Karimganj district in Assam approved by the state cabinet? A. Shri Bhumi district, B. Lakshmi district, C. Dipu district, D. Maibang district. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. The Goti Koya tribes are predominantly found in which states of India? A. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha, B. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. Which state government recently launched the Ura Cabs initiative to boost local tourism and transport sectors? A. Mizoram, B. Nagaland, C. Assam, D. Manipur. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Pamban Bridge, which was seen in the news, connects which Indian cities? A. Chennai and Cochin, B. Havra and Kolkata, C. Rameshwaram and Mandapam, D. Kochi and Tiruvananthapuram. Correct answer is C. Question number 13. What is the name of India's first AI powered app launched for accessibility audits in India? A. Access Now, B. Enable Audit, C. Inclusivity Check, D. Yes to Access. Correct answer is D. Question number 14. eShram portal is primarily designed for which group of workers? A. Unorganized workers, B. Organized workers, C. Migrant workers, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. Omkareshwar floating solar project is inaugurated in which state recently? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. The Upper Siang Hydro Power Project is located in which state? A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Mizoram, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 17. Prime Minister of India recently laid the foundation stone of Central Ayurveda Research Institute in which city? A. Hyderabad, B. Jaipur, C. Delhi, D. Bhopal. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. Which ministry has launched the toolkit for ninth edition of Swachh Sarvekshan, the world's largest urban cleanliness survey? A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. B. Ministry of Jal Shakti. C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 19. Which institution has developed Project Abhay to enhance health and safety of truck drivers? IIT Bombay, B. IIT Delhi, C. IIT Kanpur, D. IIT Roorkee. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. National Commission for Safai Karamcharis works under which ministry? A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Law and Justice. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. Which state government has launched bioengineering initiative to combat landslide with vetiver grass? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is B. Question number 22. Kota Cares initiative is associated with which state? A. Jharkhand. B. Bihar. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 23. Who has been appointed as the 52 Chief Justice of India? A. Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. B. Satish Chandra Sharma. C. Ranjan Roy. D. Ataur Rahman Masoodi. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. The Raika tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 25. Bal Baglihar hydroelectric power project dam is built on which river? A. Chenab. B. Satluj. C. Narmada. D. Godavari. Correct answer is A. I hope you like the video. Thank you.